Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's first question: DNA is stored majorly in dash of the cell. Options are cytoplasm, nucleus, Golgi body, plasma membrane. Right option is B, nucleus. Next question: dash are called suicidal bags of the cell. Options are Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, ribosomes, mitochondria. Right option is B, lysosomes. Next question: Aryabhatta was India's first artificial satellite in space launched in the year dash. Options are 1925, 1990, 1975, 1945. Right option is C, 1975. Next question: the first layer of Earth atmosphere is dash. Options are troposphere, stratosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere. Right option is A, troposphere. Next question: NH4Cl is the chemical formula for which of the following elements? Options are silicon dioxide, potassium nitrate, carbonyl dichloride, ammonium chloride. Right option is D, ammonium chloride. Next question: how many schedules are there in the Constitution of India? Options are 12, 10, 11, 9. Right option is A, 12. Next question: the Arjuna Award started in which year? Options are 1978, 1970, 1961, 1972. Right option is C, 1961. Next question: the light of the sun takes about dash minutes to reach the earth. Options are 10, 7, 9, 8. Right option is D, 8. Next question: which among the following Vedas is the oldest? Options are Sama, Rig, Atharva, Ajur. Right option is B, Rig Veda. Next question: who is the current governor of Assam? Options are Hemant Soren, Gulabchand Kataria, Fagu Chauhan, Anandiben Patel. Right option is B, Gulabchand Kataria. Next question: who is the current chief minister of Manipur? Options are N. Biren Singh, Himanta Biswa Sharma, Manik Shah, Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Right option is A, N. Biren Singh. Next question: how many high courts are there in India? Options are 22, 25, 23, 20. Right option is B, 25. Next question: where will you find plastids in a leaf cell? Options are cell wall, cytoplasm, nucleus, cell membrane. Right option is B, cytoplasm. Next question: the Reserve Bank of India was established on dash. Options are May 1, 1932, January 1, 1945, April 1, 1935, June 1, 1935. Right option is C, April 1, 1935. Next question: during which movement did Chauri Chaura incident happen? Options are civil disobedience movement, non-cooperation movement, Champaran movement, Quit India movement. Right option is B, non-cooperation movement. Thank you.